Hello everyone, welcome in my channel. So my name is Tara. I'm again with you. It's our 30-day challenge. So I'm with another topic. So guys, I will also share 3 more tips with you that how you can enhance your communication. It is the most important tips for you. If you will follow regularly, that's so it will definitely work because you have to do. Okay. So first tip is reading. So reading is most essential part of learning English. As much you will read, as much you will be the habitual of that language. Your sentence formation, your structure of the reading and your understanding, your grammatical portions, all thing will enhance by the reading. So every day you have to read 2-3 page at least, because continue reading, it's set on your mouth, say like it's sit on your tongue. uh, you will not be agitate while speaking. So that's why the reading is most important. Okay. Start to reading. Second is speaking. As we are taking the 30-day challenge, it's totally speaking. That what you have to do, you have to take a one thing and you have to start speaking about that, and you have to make recording, and after that you have to listen that what mistake you did. So that is speaking, because as much you will speak, as much you will be comfortable on the language. uh, it's speaking is the most important part in learning English, because still we will not speak, we will practice of listening, reading, vocab, everything. So never you will be a good fluency. When fluency will come, when you will start to speaking. So speaking is most important. And third is listening is also most important. How we learn the language when we are kids. So how we learn the language? By the listening our parents, by the listening around us who is speaking. So as much if you are listening any podcast, so your understanding level, you are capturing, you are getting the language. Okay. So that's why listening, always listen a one video, one podcast, and always try to listen the video with the subtitle, because you have to pause the video and you have to also repeat the sentence. It's called the shadowing is also most important for enhancing your communication. If you will do a shadowing, your pronunciation, your speaking level, your lots of sentence formation, it will be enhanced. So shadowing is also most important. Okay. And while listening, what we do, like when we listen, so we understand the language well, and it's automatically come to our mouth and we start to speak. You will see like that, you start, when you will start to listening, you will observe that you are getting that language more than before. Okay. So that's why I start to listening also. So now come back with our topics, which is the 30-day challenge. So I'm here with the one topic. I will speak, you have to listen firstly full video, and after that you have to speak, you have to make your recording, and then you have to listen that. Okay. So today is my topic is wall clock. So as you all know, that's what is the importance of watch clock in our life. It's wall clock, it's always show us time. So because of that we reach on time. We if we have a no time, so how will we get that what is the time going, and we will never reach anywhere on the time. So it shows always a time. So that's, you can see that it's look like a very good on wall. It's also work on the decoration, it shows a time. So it has a very beautiful white color, and this is the very good wall clock. Why I'm saying about this? Yes, we need at least 5 minute video, so that's why we have to speak something more about that. Okay. So we can also add, like I can tell about the times important. I will tell something a little bit more about the time. So as you all know, time is so valuable on life. Like we should never waste our time. We should always use our time. We should always do everything on time. because one time has gone, so it will be never come back. So everything do on time. So that is the importance of time. Okay, I hope you are liking, and you have to practice regular basis. Please, if you are liking, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notification, and like the video and share with your friends. Okay, bye bye.